Welcome to the Negev desert. And there's no Mark today, just me, David. Mark is, I don't know, hiding from the sun. We're in the cusp of the month of May. It's April, May time. The tourists who were here during the Passover break have gone. I have the whole of this fortress, this what was a fortified city, to myself. Welcome to Mamshit, which was a Nabatean city. The peak period was from about the 4th century BCE until the 7th century of the Common Era. It was a city that saw not only Nabateans, but Romans, Byzantines, and it became a trading centre with caravanserai. Here, those are the inns where the people who were moving across the Silk Route, the Spice Route, this is one of the places that they would stop on the journey. Let's go and have a look. The Nabateans led a nomadic style of life. They wandered the Arabian desert. They made sure that the spices got from point A to point B, from the Arabian Gulf to the Mediterranean. But why did they end up settling in this, let's face it, really desert-like area? Well, if we turn around a little bit, we can see over in that direction that there are areas of growth. And if you look carefully, that you can actually see there some settlements of today's Bedouin, who were also a nomadic people. They led this type of lifestyle, but in the 1st century before the Common Era, the Romans came to this part of the world, and the Romans, of course, had already developed cities, the cities that we know from the ancient times in Italy, in the area of Rome, in the area of Naples, and so on. And the locals here, the Nabateans, saw that type of lifestyle, and they began to adopt that lifestyle. They began to adopt the Roman gods. They began to also take on Greek culture. And finally, they built a city here, one of several on this route across the Arabian spice path. You can imagine a couple of thousand years ago, Saudi Arabia of today, it's that way, probably a few weeks' journey by camel. And just over there, in the modern day, is Beersheba. It's one of Israel's largest cities. It's just a 20-minute drive, and it's got some really great restaurants, hotels. And so if you spend time in Beersheba, think about Mamshit as being one of your must-sees. And while you're at it, please subscribe and follow and share and like our videos, our podcasts, and our social media at Mark David Pod. Thanks for watching.